how to install TV Mob on Firestick. So you used to install TV Mob by enabling apps from unknown sources, using downloader to get the APK, then pairing it with MX Player or similar. That used to work fine. But now, version 3.3 is messed up on new Fire OS versions. Channels won't load, external players aren't recognized, many users are stuck with blank screens. The new fix, most folks on Reddit say TV Mob has been replaced by Streamfire. It looks almost the same channels, same design, but with built in players, watch list instead of favorites, and better support. If you want stability, install Streamfire instead of the broken TV Mob 3.3, or downgrade to an older TV Mob version like version 1.42.5 if you can still get it. Either way, for a working setup, go with what's confirmed working. Don't waste time with broken updates.